Hi everyone. Welcome back to Lady Show English. Have you heard about Fibermaxxing? It's a health trend that's taking over social media right now. But is it actually good for you? The answer is yes, and today, I'll explain why in English. In this video, you'll learn 12 essential vocabulary words about nutrition and digestive health. These words will help you talk about healthy eating, understand food labels, and discuss your health with doctors. Let's get started. First, let me read today's health news to you. Listen carefully, and try to catch the key vocabulary words. Understanding fiber, why this nutrient matters. Fibermaxxing is trending on social media, with videos gaining millions of views. But what is it, and is it actually good for you? The term describes eating enough fiber to meet or exceed daily recommendations. Health experts say this trend is worth following, especially since over 90% of Americans don't consume enough fiber. Adults should eat 22 to 34 grams of fiber daily, but most fall short. This matters because adequate fiber intake helps prevent serious health issues including colon cancer, type 2 diabetes, and heart disease. There are two main types of fiber. Soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps with digestion. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve and aids bowel movements. Foods rich in fiber include fruits, vegetables, whole grains, beans, and nuts. Dr. Kyle Stoller from Harvard Medical School explains that fiber helps regulate blood sugar, maintain healthy weight, and support digestive health. However, experts warn against increasing fiber intake too quickly, as this can cause bloating and discomfort. Start slowly by adding fibrous foods gradually, drink plenty of water, and listen to your body's response. The bottom line? Unlike many social media trends, Fibermaxxing is backed by science. Eating more fiber is one of the best things you can do for your long-term health. Great! Now let's break down the vocabulary. Word 1, fiber. The first word is fiber, fiber. In British English, it's spelled fibre, fiber. Fiber means a substance found in plant foods that your body cannot digest, but is essential for your health. For example, I need to eat more fiber. Or this cereal is high in fiber. Common phrases include fiber-rich foods and dietary fiber. Word 2, nutrient. Next is nutrient, nutrient. A nutrient is a substance that provides nourishment essential for growth and health. The related words are nutrition, which is the process of eating right food, nutritious, meaning containing many nutrients, and nutritionist, an expert in nutrition. Example, this salad is full of nutrients. Or your body needs essential nutrients. Word 3, intake. Number 3, intake, intake. Intake means the amount of food, drink, or nutrients you consume. We often use it with daily fiber intake means how much fiber you eat each day. Example, you should increase your water intake. Or track your calorie intake. Word 4, recommendation. Word 4 is recommendation, recommendation. A recommendation is a suggestion about what someone should do, often from an expert. The verb form is recommend, and the adjective is recommended. Example, the doctor's recommendation is to exercise daily. Or follow the dietary recommendations. In our story, it says meet or exceed daily recommendations. This means to reach or go beyond the suggested amount. Word 5, consume. Number 5, consume, consume. Consume means to eat, drink, or use something. It's more formal than eat. The noun form is consumption. Example, adults should consume 22 to 34 grams of fiber daily. Or reduce your sugar consumption. Word 6, soluble. Word 6 is soluble, soluble. Soluble means able to dissolve in water. From our story, soluble fiber dissolves in water and helps with digestion. Foods with soluble fiber include oats, beans, and app. Word 7, insoluble. Number 7, insolubile, insoluble. Insoluble means not able to dissolve in water. Notice the prefix in means not. Insoluble fiber doesn't dissolve but helps your digestive system work properly. Foods with insoluble fiber include whole wheat, vegetables, and nuts. Word 8, digestion. Word 8 is digestion, digestion. Digestion is the process of breaking down food in your body. The adjective is digestive, as in digestive system or digestive health. The verb is digest, meaning to break down food. Example, good digestion is important for health. Or fiber aids digestion. Word 9, gut health. Number 9, gut health. GUT-HEALTH. Your gut is an informal word for your stomach and intestines. Gut health means how well your digestive system is working. Example, probiotics improve gut health. Or fiber is essential for gut health. Word 10, bloating. Word 10 is bloating, bloating. Bloating means feeling swollen or full in your stomach area, usually uncomfortable. The verb is bloat, meaning to swell up. Example, eating too fast can cause bloating. Or I feel bloated after that meal. From our story, increasing fiber too quickly can cause bloating. Word 11, regulate. Number 11, regulate, regulate. Regulate means to control or maintain something at a steady level. The noun is regulation. In health contexts, we often say, regulate blood sugar, regulate body temperature, or regulate hormones. Example, fiber helps regulate blood sugar levels. Word 12, prevent. Our last word is prevent, prevent. Prevent means to stop something from happening. The noun is prevention, and the adjective is preventive or preventable. Example, eating fiber can prevent serious diseases. Or prevention is better than cure. Excellent. Now let's look at some useful phrases. Phrase 1, meet or exceed. This means to reach or go beyond a target. Example, meet or exceed daily recommendations means reach or surpass the suggested amount. You can use this in work too. We need to meet or exceed our sales goals. Phrase 2, fall short. This means to not reach a target or standard. From our story, most people fall short means they don't consume enough fiber. Example, I fell short of my exercise goals this week. Phrase 3, rich in. This means containing a lot of something good. We say foods rich in fiber or vegetables rich in vitamins. Example, spinach is rich in iron. Or nuts are rich in healthy fats. Phrase 4, start slowly. This means begin gradually, not all at once. From our story, start slowly when increasing fiber intake. Example, start slowly with exercise if you're a beginner. Phrase 5, listen to your body. This means pay attention to how your body feels and responds. Example, listen to your body when exercising. Or listen to your body's hunger signals. This is important health advice. Phrase 6, backed by science. This means supported by scientific research and evidence. From our story, Fibermaxxing is backed by science. Example, this treatment is backed by science. Or make decisions backed by science. Phrase 7, the bottom line. This means the most important point or conclusion. We use it to summarize. The bottom line is, fiber is important for health. In business, it can also mean the final result or profit. Example, the bottom line is we need to change our diet. Phrase 8, one of the best things you can do. This phrase emphasizes that something is highly beneficial. From our story, eating more fiber is one of the best things you can do for your health. Example, exercise is one of the best things you can do for your body. Let me quickly explain one grammar pattern you heard many times today. We use gerunds, that's VING form, as the subject of a sentence. Listen to these examples from our story. Eating more fiber is beneficial. Increasing intake too quickly causes problems. Starting slowly is important. Notice the pattern, gerund plus verb. More examples, smoking damages your health. Exercising regularly improves mood. Drinking water is essential. This is very common in English, especially when giving health advice. Let's quickly review. Today you learned 12 vocabulary words. Fiber, nutrient, intake, recommendation, consume, soluble, insoluble, digestion, gut health, bloating, regulate, and prevent. And you learned 8 useful phrases like rich in, fall short, and backed by science. Remember, these words aren't just for talking about fiber, you can use them whenever you discuss health, nutrition, and wellness. That's it for today. You just learned essential English vocabulary for discussing nutrition and health. What makes Lady Show English different? We use real news stories to teach you practical English. Every week, we explore topics from health, technology, food, business, and travel, helping you stay connected to what's happening in the world while improving your English. If you enjoyed this lesson, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Lady Show English. Turn on notifications so you never miss our next news-based English lesson. See you in the next video. Keep learning, stay curious, and stay healthy.